Hey, what's going on, guys? Jermaine Comics here, and in this video I want to share with you guys how to work your side hustle in 2 to 4 hours. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to talk about how to work your side hustle in 2 to 4 hours. So the thing is this, I get it, guys. Maybe you are, working your side hustle, trying to build your network marketing business, trying to learn how to do some affiliate marketing, whatever you're trying to do. Listen, you can literally build your business in 2 to 4 hours each and every day, all right? And in today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys 5 things you can start doing to help you to be more effective with your time. Before I dive into the content, I need you guys to do me a favor, all right? If you are new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, click that bell notification so you're notified each and every time that a new piece of content is dropped. As always, guys, if you get value from this video, be sure to let me know in the comments below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know if this video helps you out. If so, be sure to share this video out. All right, so let's hop into it. Working your side hustle in 2 to 4 hours each and every day. All right, if you're anything like me, guys, when I first got into this industry, I was all over the place. All right, it was like I was working my business more than I was actually working on my full-time job, and I was running around like a chicken with his head cut off. And basically, it was because I didn't know what the hell I was doing. All right. And maybe you're in that position right now. Maybe you was like, okay, I signed up for this side project, to make a few, $100. However, I'm working really, really hard and the income is really not matching basically the way that I feel. All right, so you are on the right video. All right, by the end of this video, guys, you're gonna know 5 simple things that you can start doing literally each and every day to help work less but make more income. All right, the first thing is you want to plan your week on Sundays. I know that Sundays is typically where you're watching football, you're relaxing, you eating that Sunday dinner. If you really want to build wealth, if you really want to build your business, if you really want to start generating some extra income with minimum amounts of time, you need to start planning out your week on Sundays, all right? But here's the trick. When it comes to planning out your week, most people only plan out their appointments, the content, the things they have to do. That's not what I'm talking about. What you want to do is you want to plan out the things that you enjoy first, the things that are most valuable to you first. If you're a parent, maybe you want to spend a little time with your kids. Maybe if you're dating someone or married, maybe you want to go out on a date. Maybe you just want to have a movie night. Maybe it's a sporting event. Maybe it's a school function. Maybe it's something that you are doing in your community, at your church, whatever the case may be. Write those things out first. By doing that, guys, what you do is you begin to have more of a passion. You begin to enjoy your journey of building your business, because a lot of times we put all the things we enjoy aside and we just build our business, and it becomes stressful, right? It's enough stress as it is. So the easiest way to minimize your stress levels is to plan out the things that you enjoy first, and then plan everything else around it. You want to plan things like your content creation. You want to plan, in some cases, questions maybe for your, if you're doing Facebook Lives, or, if you're using, Instagram Live, YouTube, and also your appointments, right? Your IPAs, things that's going to actually make you money. The second thing is you want to drop a piece of leverage content on each platform that you're active on, all right? Now, the thing is this, I know that we try to be everywhere. Unlike myself, guys, of course, you're watching this on YouTube. I'm also on Facebook, I'm on Instagram. I love Snapchat. And however, it's like, how can I balance all of these platforms? Well, I found the little system, and of course, I'm using these same exact hacks, but I found a way where I can leverage my time, leverage my content on each and every platform, all right? But what you want to do is you want to learn how to put leverage content on each platform, all right? And you do that by simply figuring out which platform do you actually enjoy, which one you're the most active on. When you do that, pick a day each and every day, and you want to find a way to put out a piece of leverage content. Leverage content is content that can later be found, can be searched, or has the ability to make you money or have people reaching out to you while you're asleep. So make sure that you have a piece of leverage content on each and every platform, all right? Also, number 3, you want to use stories. I know you heard the saying that stories sells and facts tell, all right? Begin using stories. So many times we get into business and we only want to talk about the product. We only want to talk about the benefits. We only want to talk about our services. People resonate with stories better. So by sharing a story, meaning sharing the things that got you excited about, you know, your actual journey. Share things that maybe you heard from other people that are in your actual industry. The idea is when you begin to share stories, people can resonate and they can begin to say, you know what? I feel the same way. Like, oh, I was in that exact same situation. Or I know someone that was in that exact same situation. The idea, guys, is not that we are perceiving to be in a perfect world. So sharing stories help people to understand that, you know, okay, this person does go through crap like I go through crap, but yet they're still waking up each and every day and they're building their business, they're building their dream lifestyle, right? So make sure that you use stories around your lifestyle. Once again, you can do questions. You can also do quick tips and Q&As. Number 4, you want to create an offer. This kind of goes back with having that piece of leveraged content. So many times we start our business, and like myself, when I first got started, I was in a health and wellness company, guys, and I was actually sharing this juice, right? And the only thing you were seeing on my profile was this juice, the benefits of the juice, company events, people that was hitting ranks, people that was winning car bonuses, all these things. And it was basically running people away because they didn't know what was going on. Like, they go from a regular Jermaine and all of a sudden I'm talking success and, you know, residual income and all this crap, and it was too much for them to digest. So the idea, guys, is that by creating an offer, what it does, it helps people to say, you know what, I need that, right? And for example, let's say health and wellness, right? The idea is you don't want to just put out, hey, click this link if you want to purchase, or we're running a BOGO sale, or XYZ. An offer is something, guys, that will literally solve that problem for that person, that will help them to qualify themselves for taking the next step on reaching out to you or potentially becoming a customer or a distributor for your business. A health and wellness offer may be simply something along the lines of find out how to lose belly fat even while enjoying the foods that you love. So the idea is that's something like, wow, like, I need to see what that's about. And then once they actually give the information for that offer, then you can have things on the back end, which we like to call sales funnels, that basically take people through a process and could potentially get people joining your team or buying your products, in some cases without even talking on the phone with them, which I share later in this video on how you can actually get a funnel built for your business. And the 5th thing is the social media look back. This is something that my personal mentor has basically shared with me. The social media look back is basically, as you do things throughout the week, throughout your social media platforms, figure out which performed the best, which one has the most engagement, which one has the most shares, which one people seem to like more. Whatever that thing is, you want to cater more of your content around that. And the social media look back also helps you when you have a lot of engagement. You can begin to look at these people's profile. You can screen these people, put these people in your CRM, keep track of them, message them. Basically start the process of getting these people off social media, maybe on the phone, maybe on your email list, and start the process of building relationships to later get these people in your business or potentially buying your products, all right? I mentioned sales funnels. I mentioned how you can actually start the process of getting people into your business through a sales process. The idea, guys, I actually have a free training below, all right? This training is something that I basically give to people that are looking to structure their business where it doesn't take all their time, right? Guys, I'm actually in the process of, putting together a program where not only I'm showing you how I structure my business, but I'm also going to be showing you how to structure your business where literally you're going to be hands off your business completely, right? And at the most you may have to do is meet up with your team maybe weekly, right? You'll actually begin to have people in place that's actually closing your deals for you. And I know that may be like, wow, like I'm not quite there yet. Don't worry about that, all right? For now, there should be a link below to grab that free training on how to structure your business, and something that I personally use where people are actually paying me before I even get on the phone with them, all right? You should find it in the link below, all right? If you guys got value, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy Jay Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you. Hey guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.